maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Ikaw ang magdadala. Try mo. Mauna. Na ikaw ang makipagkwentuhan sa kanya. Or sa kanila. Tapos, dapat confident ka. Kusa na lang yon kapag okay, oo. Opo, oo, yes, true. Okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Pick the right topics. Those that are engaging. Okay, learn to think. Good topics, dalhin mo. Okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Samahan nyo na ng food trip at kape. Okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Okay. Madaming topics na available. Music, rock music, art, drawing, illustration, games, cooking, baking, books, manga, shoes, your dreams, about you, etc., etc. Okay, opo, yes, oo. Okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Try to take a picture together. Mag-picture-picture palagi, always. Opo, okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? So what's the use and what's the point? Okay, for what reasons? Okay, social life, okay. Important, a must, okay. Oo, totoo, yes, opo, okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations niyo? Talk about Paramore. Talk about Dunkin' Donuts. Talk about McDonald's. Talk about the weather. Talk about your favorite food. Pork chop. Talk about Japan. Okay, yes. Even manga, okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Look at the bright side of things. Be positive, okay. Choose the light over darkness. There is always the sun after a very dark night. Paano ba magiging maganda ang conversations nyo? Ang pag-uusap nyo. Be it on chat, phone call, video call, text, DM, yes. And of course, physically, opo. Okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Step up, dalhin mo. Ikaw ang mag-take over. Okay. Damihan mo pa mga friends mo. Kaibigan, circle mo, okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Okay, mag-banding, gumala. Mamasyal, go to places na interesting and worth it. And worth it na puntahan, okay. Paano maging maganda ang conversations nyo? Always trust and believe na interesting ka in all sides. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Instagram.com/blackandwhitevoodoo. Speak up, dear.